You know, when young people discover for themselves without being assisted, bafikelele ekuyazini inyaniso ngokunokwabo. But I was checking with some young people of that those Eastern Cape interns Eastern Cape, they're not under me. I'm not getting anything from that thing of the Eastern Cape. It's fine. Now, bathi kum bhutlu asikabhatalwa. Kodwa ke sifikelele ekuyazini inyaniso themselves. But eyona ngxaki apha le mali lena isuka ku-National Skills Fund. Niyakhumbula ke ekuqaleni konyaka ndi-investigate lo National Skills Fund. Ndijonga ubana la mamenemene yasephondweni ayitya njani le mali. How are they planning to chow this money? Now, Ramaphosa during ngela xesha lala ngxokolo ndiyenzayo about this ungabhatalwa kwabantwana ndabe ndikrokrela ubana uMabu, i-office kaMabu, uPremier, ingenzeka uba iyayitya le mali bebonke. Now, what the president did, he allowed u-SIU to investigate okusela bapha i-National Skills Fund. And at the moment, kuthiwe ntsho yonke into eyenzeka phayana kwamali ephumayo ithiwe ntsho kangangokubana when I started the investigation, I had picked up that there are some ghost interns here. And I was this close to finding out. But amamenemene akhawuleza aqaphela ubana sizawubhaqwa apha. I don't know what they did. Now, the call that I received was saying, Udlu, siyayazi ingxaki iphi. Ingxaki ikula Skills Fund that is skeptical of releasing monies without proper documentation. Surprised to hear students like abantu abatsha bethetha kanje diamond. Since when did you mature like this? Because nihlala nikhala nesitha nibhatalo. Yes, abakabhatalwa to this day. Now, I was surprised hearing this level of maturity that bayayazi ingxaki iphi. Bakhe bayeke uthukana no Cheaper Training Academy between me and you. And ndiyavuya xa besitsho ngokwabo bengaconvincewanga uba ingxaki iphi, because mna mntu uhlala ebaleka eleqeka ethethelele youth. I had long found out that the problem is not at Cheaper Training Academy. The problem is between the Office of the Premier and the source of funds, which is National Skills Fund. Ingxaki lapho bana uNational Skills Fund lona kuthena ngamthembi u-Office of the Premier to release le mali. Yintoni eyenzekayo apha? What is le mishmishi ithini into yayo? Because eyona ngxaki inkulu kungathembani. Bendithe ke on the previous video regarding this thing of the interns. Kutheni le nto bengaqinisekisi into yokubana a month in advance money is released? That's what I posed to the government. And I have since found out that the reason is because they don't trust each other. They have a reputation of eating imali. Now, they cannot release imali bengaqinisekisanga into yokubana they can prove into yokubana nyani ezi mali ziya kuba bantwana. It's a complicated thing. We have been discussing with young people into yokubana xa ibiyintoni uPremier angathathi ezi department zingathathi abantwana ziba in-sources baniko person ibe easy. Why is it that they need a service provider, a training provider to administer this? Now, I'm learning that it's the magnitude. Managing interns as about 3,000 something is a bit of umsebenzi. Abanayo i-capacity phaa kwaPremier, hence they had outsourced the whole thing. I had recently received a letter, by the way, that I cannot confirm its authenticity. Le letter lena or chief of staff is doing a briefing. Mandikhawuleze into imamela. Chief of staff sikaSenzo Mchunu phaa kwa-SAPS. Now, I had received a letter that the institution, because la Chippa Training Academy uhlale thuku bana utya imali yabantwana akabhatali bantwana ntoni. Here is a letter. Here is a letter. Ithi le letter, notice of intention to cede project management responsibilities under the NSF and OTP project. Le institution idikiwe because it gets dragged xa abantwana bengabhatalwa, kodwa imali ayisuki kubo, isuka ku-NSF, ne-Office of the Premier. So idayithwe nini? On the 7th of October, that's what is dated here. It's addressed to Mr. Sogoni, the DG of the OTP, kwakopishwa u-National Skills Fund. So they were threatening to leave the project altogether. The decision arises from recent and ongoing occurrences which have created material risk and potential reputational harm to all parties involved, because kaloku xa abantwana bengabhatalwa bayathukisa and baya ku-social media. Now, aba bantwana ke bebekade bebethuka abantu abarongo, aba babatrayinayo. But let me acknowledge into yokokubana this institution ingxaki yayo ibikukungathethi nabantwana, ingabaniki umkhondo, ingabaxeleli ubana hayi sithanga abangabhataliyo, hambani unyusa amadolo niye phaa eBhisho. Mna uba bendingabo bendizawuvele ndithi hayi madoda, ingxaki nantsiya, uba ndifuna imali yenu yani phaa kumabo eofisini yakhe, because iofisi yakhe le imali isuka phaa. Then umabo uzawuthi yena, madoda khanimeni khe ndibaleke ndiye kwa-NSF ndibuze uba iphi imali yenu. That's the accountability that we deserve. But as we stand, I hear that kuqalisiwe ubhatala abantwana, kodwa ke the only thing I'm going to say between Chippa Training Academy and Office of the Premier and the NSF, engage the kids, tell them sinengxaki xa ninengxaki. Umzekelo, into bekudala ndiyisuggestile mna into yokubana tshintshani idate. Sanothi abantwana babhatala nge-30, yithani abantwana nibabhatala nge-15, ningababhatala earlier than that. But it cannot be that nina, jonga kaloku imali isuka kwa-NSF, isuka ku-Office of the Premier, iya ku-Chippa Training Academy. Then from the Office of the Premier to Chippa Training Academy, how long does it take? Because the Office of the Premier does not release le mali without some certain authentication documents. It takes its time from OTP to CTA, and from CTA to the students, it's going to take its time. Madoda, we need to fix these things so as to not inconvenience the youth of this country. You are doing a great thing for employing the youth. However, implementation is as important. We cannot continue disrespecting people that are voting for you by not paying them on time. That is not acceptable. We are not going to allow it. We are not going to keep quiet, and we are going to make the noise until you realize that you are failing us, you, the government. That's all about Chippa Training Academy, Office of the Premier in the Eastern Cape, and the National Skills Fund under the Department of Higher Education. Igama lam ndinguBhutlu, ndingunolali weGungqayi. Mandikhe ndiyomamela le briefing. Yho.